Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaí and this is my boyfriend Ismael. We are super excited to share with you this journey. We are moving states. We are from Texas, but a few years ago we bought this house in Colorado. We had big dreams to remodel and enjoy our family. The time is finally here. Welcome to our home. A couple of years back, we would come down to work on the house. We completely demolished it. We removed everything old from the house, and this was just the last part of the cleaning that we had to do from some old sheetrock. Super dusty, I must say. We decided to clean first before anything else. This is a kitchen. Last time we were here, we put up some new sheetrock on the window side. I also have a laundry station in the kitchen. We then decided to build a wall and separate it from the kitchen to have a laundry room.
I'm ready.
Yeah, good job, baby. Okay. Okay guys, so while he is going to build the wall, I'm just going to go ahead and put some plastic all over all the windows so I won't get any paint on it, and just go on from there. Thank you for watching my video. I'm super excited to share with you guys the results at the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and I love you guys so much. Like for part 2. Bye guys!